what you gonna do when I come for you. I'm gonna.
Welcome YouTube, welcome back to my channel, buzunbox play and unbox. Today we got an unbox video for you. Today we hear it.
And Jozo was like,
yeah, so today we're gonna do an unbox of a short vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it got like a 3-way cleaning. So we're gonna show you how we clean with it. It's a little bit under $30, but we got a deal on it. So it's like one something. I can't recall how much we pay right now, but we're gonna unbox it, see what it come with, and then we go from there. So we got the menu right there. We got this. We got this. That. Basically, unbox it upside down. And
that's it. Okay.
pretty much that's it. So pretty much guys, that's it for the box. So let's set this bad boy up and see. So they come with several different pieces to set it up.
It looks cool.
So we just figuring it out as it go guys.
It comes in one.
So this is going to be the first time the room is vacuuming with this vacuum cleaner, so we're going to see what it does. It said it attracts less dust though. So clean air, less dust bag in it, all that stuff.
Let's see the dust. And it goes with the couch too.
Let's go right there.
I was gonna open this with this isn't.
No, this one needs this one to clip off. So it's just like a clip. So all the pieces come together. So let's figure this out now. The thing is separate.
What about the exchange?
So I guess these pieces like add-on, you don't have to use them if you don't want to. You understand what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
That's for like if we want to get the dust in the blinds or
Yes.
like
So these pieces like add-on.
on top of the shoes.
Here.
So I guess some of these pieces guys is like add-on. You don't have to use with it. So this can use separately. You don't have to use this on pieces. So that's what we're trying to figure out. Just go with this. Like I said guys, we're trying to figure it out as we go. So this could go with this. just go with this. Let's see where this bad will go. This could go probably right here. Not too sure.
We'll probably go for one.
Let's go right here. The cord is long enough to.
Do we need this one?
No, we don't need that one right now. So basically, we're gonna show you several different ways how to clean places.
You need that piece right there.
Which piece?
That piece that you put the suction on, you need that piece right there, yeah. Take all those extensions off. You hear me? Give it to Buzz. Buzz, take the extensions off for that. Yeah, you need that piece to guide you. So all that come off. Look at the box. Look at the front of the box. See, it's a handle. Yeah, and then, yeah.
I like this vacuum already.
All right, let's pick up everything off the floor now so we can get a good vacuum.
So let's go. Let's pick up all the trash.
The floor is like super dirty, so
Really dirty.
let's see.
There's probably a book right here. Look at this nice vacuum, guys. Doesn't it go like this? I thought all vacuums go like that.
Relax, relax, relax.
I love vacuuming. I always vacuum inside California. I can't believe I have to force this.
Pick this up. Pick up this piece right here.
The carpet pieces.
Mm-hmm. Pick up the carpet pieces in there.
Alright, let's go.
Let's start like on a good angle. Super.
You need a thumbnail. Thumbnail.
We gonna make.
What is this for? I think it's something. Probably something. Or this right here.
Yeah, that's it. It's like a little toggle, yeah?
So pretty much, guys. Ready?
I never stopped recording.
So pretty much, guys, it don't really show you how to put it down. So I guess as you could come closer. As you see, it show you like a feet right here. So you have to put your foot on it to press it down and put some kind of weight on it so it could remove or.
And it goes like what, a 360? Yeah. 180? Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
So we got
Nice.
several different ways how to do it. But the only way this come down, as you can see, look, go put your foot right there. Press your foot right there. You have to press on it. So it go. And this is the start button to start it. So let's give it a try.
Is it heavy? Picking up though. Come on, everybody else used to vacuum. Do it, man. Love it, you can go. Let me do it then. I want to do it. Oh man, the vacuum looks so
out, right?
So as you can see, guys, it's look way better than before.
Can you take
Oh,
these
like
out?
this? Okay.
It look way better. Now, like I said, we're gonna do like a 3-way clean of the vacuum.
Yay.
So now they're taking it apart. How to? We're gonna try cleaning here.
How do you do this?
Look, before we start, this is what we got so far of it. This is on the
That's a
before.
lot though.
This is on the carpet without we cleaning it.
That's a lot.
So now we're gonna try to take this apart and see how it goes.
Wait, you gonna do it again? Oh, you gonna take it? You gonna dump it outside, like on the trash can outside?
No, we're gonna try to clean it and see how it.
What does this button do? Nothing.
No, you gonna pick that up. Lip away.
So basically, this is how it gave you a little detail. This is how you lift it up. So you just press it, and you just.
Instead of
So this
using
is
that
how
part.
you walk it around now. So she's gonna use it to clean in here.
Okay. So, wait. I need this. It's twisted. That's why. So I'm gonna start. That's for the lines.
Look, everybody in here with the vacuum cleaner.
What's up, Pop Pop?
Who's hollering?
Hi. You see camera? Wanna say hi?
That made them mad.
That's for the blinds, right? Oh, I didn't even know he did that. Look at him. He can't pick up nothing. Look at you.
Let's go. another place that we did vacuum, but we just didn't get enough time to post it or edit the video. We vacuumed the couch, did the blinds, we did the next carpet. Yeah, so like I said, it was a lot of dust, but we just didn't. We forgot to show that part of the video. But it's a good vacuum though. Maybe later on we buy a better vacuum, but this one was really good. I recommend it.
This one's really nice.
Baby.
Alright.
See you later.
Come
Go
here.
back on the floor. Let me go on the floor. Let me go on the floor.
He's only coming on the floor to crawl to the camera. Look at him. Look at this boy. No. Oh.
So pretty much, guys, this is how it looks so far.
It looks so good.
Look, you see the dirt?
It didn't take the baby, guys.
I'll see.
So that's how it looks so far. So we're gonna do another cleaning. Say I'm gonna clean the couch, the blinds, yeah. And this is what we got so far. There's a lot of dust.
It's a lot to
So we're
dirt.
gonna empty that and show you in a little bit.
I'm sorry.